What is up, YouTube? This is Crypto Saga again with another sweet and short video for you guys just to keep you in perspective and how everything's playing out with the cryptoverse. All right, guys, please follow and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. To begin, we want to talk about the dollar. So Julian Battelle just posted this. He works with Raoul Powell at Real Vision, I believe. He is head of macro research at Global Macro Investor, which is Real Vision pretty much with Raoul Powell. He is King Julian. His analysis is beautiful. So he's pretty much saying the business cycle has to keep running tomorrow, which is pretty much saying that the dollar is coming down. Interest rates are coming down. That just indicates that after that pretty much is where the injection of liquidity comes. So he's pretty much overlaying the U.S. City Economic Surprise Index with the dollar with the 2-month lead, and this is for 2017. As you can see, it follows it to a T pretty much. And now, fast forward to 2024, 2025, this is what it looks like today. The dollar's in red and the US City Economic Surprise Index is in black. As you can see, it's following it to a T as well. And if you have the 2-month lead on the dollar, so what do you expect for the Economic Surprise Index? It's going to come down. The more it comes down, the more room risk assets have to run. So you can read the whole post on Twitter. You can follow him. He has great analysis on this. So jumping from that over here to this guy named Shock on Twitter. I don't follow him or anything, but I thought this post was interesting. He said, after learning from Raoul GMI, which is Raoul Paul, teachings recently, I decided to go back and look at the data. If you are selling crypto right now, you don't deserve to experience its beauty. The ISM tells more than just the number. So if you guys remember in my past videos, I posted the ISM. I don't know why it says this over here. He probably has it for that setting for like percentage. But right now, the ISM right over here is over 50. And the last time it was over 50 was over here during when it came back up after COVID, which COVID, you can see the COVID drop over here. And it probably dropped because of COVID right there. So this is like a black swan. But as you can see, once this hits 50 above, that means the business cycle is in full force. And usually it comes all the way up to like 60% or like 70% somewhere around here. I'm sorry it doesn't show right here, but you can see one of my past videos. I explain it a little bit better. And as you can see, as soon as this shoots up, the crypto market shoots up as well, because also QE started around here to jumpstart the economy after COVID, and because everyone was like, everyone was in their houses and the economy just wasn't really doing much because there was no one working. It's pretty much stopped. So you can see what happens after everything accelerates. The only difference here is that Bitcoin has been coming up probably because of the ETFs and probably because of investors seeing how important Bitcoin is right now. But the ISM actually hasn't done anything yet. But it just came back above 50. And once it's above 50, usually or historically, it just shoots back up. So imagine how much more room we likely have to keep going. So if Bitcoin's at like almost 100K, 95K today, imagine it could probably even go to like 200, 250. And imagine what that means for your altcoins. I can't stress this enough. I believe altcoin season has not started for a reason. And I don't think it's because we're diluted. I don't think because it's never coming back. I just honestly think we're not in the cycle where the liquidity's back and where there's not enough liquidity for all of the altcoins to actually pump. Like we've seen a whole bunch of random altcoins pump because of a narrative or because of hype, because it was the trend. But I honestly think that once liquidity in this business cycle starts in full force, then we're going to see the altcoin season we all wanted and we all know. So yeah, just putting you guys in perspective, because perspective is everything. And you'll see in this next post. Over here, as you can see, Raoul Paul, again, he says you all need to learn patience. And it's true, because this is the 2017 cycle. And I'll zoom in right now. It looks like today, pretty much, where you have sideways choppy action up, sideways choppy action up, sideways choppy up, sideways choppy up. And every one of these dips are like no more than 40%. But back then in 2016, 2017, 2018, which is this chart right here, volatility was way higher. It was way higher. So That's why maybe it went to like 38, you know, almost 40% dips. Today we're seeing 25, 30% most, I believe. So yeah, just more perspective for you guys to show you how similar it is to like 2017. And I said I was gonna make this nice, sweet, and short. So just want to show this for you guys who don't know. This is more for like the stock market. It was made like ages ago. But you know, it's been pretty good to call like the top, not exactly, but you know, the year of the top pretty much. And it's indicating that 2026 is gonna be a top. I'm gonna hopefully be able to sell before that because I want to, you know, I don't want to wait until the last day to sell. I want to actually leave this market without getting burnt. But, and you guys should do the same too if you know what's good for you. But yeah, just putting you in perspective because it's very important. I just really don't want you guys to be selling your coins at the worst possible time because right now we're probably at the point where everything's about to start accelerating. I'm not saying we can't dip from here. We probably are going to dip. Like I said in one of my videos, we might go down to like the 77, 81 range for Bitcoin. That would make altcoins do seppuku on them. Like if Bitcoin goes down to 81, 77K to fill in that CME gap on the daily, sheesh, guys, wow, that would pretty much kill our altcoins, and it would give us the best opportunity to get into these altcoins. Like honestly, like don't see it as a bad thing. I don't think anything has started, and that's probably why these altcoins will die. Well, not die, but like go 50% down from where they are right now if Bitcoin actually fills in that CME gap that I'm talking about. But that doesn't mean it's the end. Honestly, I think we might get one last shakeout right before you know the blow off top and everything just starts going. So yeah, guys, keeping in perspective. Please don't sell. Don't let his hands. Come on, guys, diamond hands. You got this. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them lull you. Don't fall into this bear trap. I honestly think, and I put my money where my mouth is, I have not sold one penny of all the money that I've made. I'm in profits, but I haven't sold because I really do think that we haven't seen anything yet. All right, guys. So that's me. I'm done. I hope you guys, you know, make a lot of money this cycle. I'm gonna keep updating you guys, so please follow and like this video. Leave your comments on everything that you think I should do better. But yeah, guys, thank you so much, and until next time, bye.